Welcome to Gianfranco Explores channel, your trusted source for the most engaging travel content. We're thrilled to have you with us as we embark on an exhilarating journey, a virtual tour to one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, Niagara Falls. We'll be exploring the falls from both the Canadian and American perspectives, highlighting some of the best activities to make your visit unforgettable. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the fascinating world of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls, a marvel of nature straddling the US-Canadian border, is a sight to behold. Nestled between the province of Ontario and the state of New York, this colossal water feature is actually a collective name for three falls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. Together, they form the southern end of the Niagara Gorge. Let's rewind back to approximately 12,000 years ago. That's when the last ice age carved out these magnificent falls. As the glaciers retreated, they left behind a dramatic landscape dominated by the Great Lakes. The rushing waters from these lakes found their way down the Niagara River, eventually plunging over the edge to create the falls we see today. Now here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that over 6 million cubic feet of water thunders over the edge of Niagara Falls every minute? That's enough water to fill up over 90 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Yes, you heard that right. And on a bright sunny day, you might even catch a glimpse of a beautiful rainbow arching over the falls. But the power of Niagara Falls isn't just a spectacle for our eyes. It's also a major source of hydroelectric power. The rushing torrents of water generate more than 2 million kilowatts of electricity. That's enough power to light up a small town for a year. Niagara Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's a testament to the sheer force and beauty of Mother Nature. It's a place where you can feel the cool mist on your skin, hear the thunderous roar of water, and marvel at the awe-inspiring power of our natural world. Now that we have a better understanding of this natural wonder, let's explore what it has to offer. From the American side, the view of Niagara Falls is nothing short of breathtaking. The sheer power of the cascading waters, the misty aura surrounding the falls, and the vibrant rainbow that often crowns the spectacle are truly awe-inspiring. Let's start with one of the most iconic attractions on the American side, the Cave of the Winds. This isn't a natural cave, but a series of wooden walkways that lead you right up to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. Here you can feel the force of the water as it crashes down, spraying you with a refreshing mist. It's like standing in a tropical storm, except the rain is coming from below. Don't forget your poncho, you're bound to get a little wet. Next up is the Maid of the Mist boat tour. This legendary boat ride takes you right to the heart of the falls, giving you an up-close and personal experience with the thundering waters. As the boat ventures into the dense mist of the falls, you'll feel the raw power of nature in a way that's simply impossible from the shore. It's an exhilarating ride that's been a must-do for visitors since the mid-19th century. Beyond these thrilling experiences, the American side also offers fantastic viewpoints. From the observation tower, you get panoramic views of all three waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls. The scenic trolley ride around Goat Island is another way to soak up the sights, with stops at key viewpoints and attractions. The American side of Niagara Falls is more than just a viewing point. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the spectacle, to feel the spray on your face, to hear the roar in your ears, and to truly appreciate the scale and power of this natural wonder. After exploring the American side, it's time to cross the border and see what Canada has in store. Welcome to Canada. Here, the view of Niagara Falls takes on a whole new perspective. From this side, you get a panoramic vista of all three waterfalls that make up the world-famous Niagara Falls. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty that will leave you awestruck. One of the most iconic viewpoints on the Canadian side is the Skylon Tower. This observation tower stands over 700 feet high, offering a bird's-eye view of the falls. Imagine standing on the viewing deck, the wind in your hair, as you gaze out over the cascading waters. It's an experience that's hard to put into words, but let's just say it's nothing short of magical. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Another must-visit attraction is the journey behind the falls. As the name suggests, this unique experience takes you through a series of tunnels and to an observation deck right behind the thundering Horseshoe Falls. Feel the vibrations of the water, hear the deafening roar, and prepare to be amazed as you witness the backside of the falls up close. It's a perspective few get to see, and trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. And of course, don't forget to take a stroll along the Niagara Parkway. This scenic route hugs the Niagara River and offers some of the most picturesque views of the falls. It's the perfect way to soak in the beauty of the area and maybe even spot a rainbow if you're lucky. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next thrill, a nature lover seeking breathtaking views, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of this world, the Canadian side of Niagara Falls has something for you. After taking in the breathtaking views from both sides, let's explore some hidden gems around the falls. Beyond the thunderous roars of the falls, the surrounding area has much to offer. The Niagara region is not just home to one of the world's most spectacular waterfalls, but it also boasts a variety of attractions that can make your trip even more memorable. Take, for instance, the Butterfly Conservatory. This tropical paradise is home to over 2,000 free-flying butterflies, offering a truly magical experience. As you walk through the lush green environment, you'll be mesmerized by the colorful butterflies fluttering around you. It's a place where you can not only witness the beauty of these delicate creatures, but also learn about their life cycle and conservation. A short distance away is Clifton Hill, the entertainment capital of Niagara. This bustling street is lined with a range of attractions, from wax museums and haunted houses to mini golf courses and an enormous Ferris wheel. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a fan of the bizarre, Clifton Hill promises an unforgettable experience. For those who love the great outdoors, the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve is a must-visit. This hidden gem offers stunning views of the Niagara River and Gorge. With its rugged paths and diverse flora and fauna, it's a hiker's paradise. The reserve also offers guided tours, providing an opportunity to learn about the region's unique geology and ecosystem. And let's not forget the local vineyards, where you can sample some of the region's finest wines. With its unique microclimate, Niagara is one of the prime wine-producing regions in Canada. A vineyard tour not only offers a chance to taste these exquisite wines, but also to learn about the art and science behind winemaking. As you can see, a visit to Niagara Falls offers much more than just a waterfall. It's a destination that caters to all tastes and interests, promising an adventure at every turn. Whether you're a nature lover, an adrenaline junkie, or a wine connoisseur, you'll find something to captivate you in the Niagara region. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making the most of your visit to Niagara Falls. We've journeyed through the thunderous, misty majesty of the falls themselves, straddling the border between two countries, each side offering its own unique vantage point. From the American side, we've experienced the raw power of the falls up close, feeling the spray in our faces as we ventured onto the decks of the iconic Maid of the Mist. Crossing over to the Canadian side, we've been treated to panoramic views that truly capture the breathtaking scale of the falls. But Niagara Falls isn't just about the water. We've also explored the vibrant surrounding areas, brimming with diverse attractions from the Butterfly Conservatory to the Clifton Hill Entertainment District, ensuring a memorable experience for all ages and interests. This journey has been about more than just sightseeing. It's been about immersing ourselves in nature's spectacle, feeling the rumble of the falls beneath our feet, and witnessing the awe-inspiring power of water. It's about capturing those unforgettable moments that travel offers us, those moments that broaden our horizons and enrich our understanding of the world around us. Niagara Falls serves as a reminder of the beauty and power of our natural world, a destination that truly has something for everyone. That's all for today's adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting travel content on Gianfranco Explores channel. Until next time, keep exploring.